We are looking at how to pronounce this dish name as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced food names as well from around the world, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is a type of filled dumplings from Central and Eastern Europe, often found in Polish cuisine. In Polish, for reference, this is said as pierogi. Pierogi in English, however, those are generally pronounced as pierogi, pierogi from Polish, pierogi, pierogi in English. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and food names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious from France, Italy and beyond. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.